Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we made some mozzarella chicken. You're going to use some flour, some egg, and some plain breadcrumbs with Romano cheese in the breadcrumbs. I used garlic and herb seasoning, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, plain breadcrumbs, and pepper. So in your flour, make sure you add the seasonings that I just said and go ahead and coat your chicken all over. Shake off the excess flour, dip it into the egg with the seasoning as well in there, and go ahead and make sure you coat your chicken breast evenly all over with the cheese in the breadcrumbs. And then heat your oil up and enjoy your cookie while you do. Once your oil's heated to the temperature, go ahead and place your chicken breast in away from you. And about after 2.5 minutes, go ahead and flip it. This depends on how thick your chicken is. So you be the judge of that. But after 2.5 minutes, I flipped them. I cooked it for a total of 7 minutes, and they're gonna look like this. I put them onto a baking sheet with a wire rack, and then I added some tomato sauce. I put Romano cheese at the bottom to start, and then I layered it with mozzarella on top. I don't think I showed it, but I did add a little bit more Romano on top of the mozzarella, just for a little crispiness, and then put it on broil until it melts. I think this was about 5 minutes, and it's going to come out looking like this. But yeah, another pretty easy recipe, and try it yourself. Thank you for watching.